The Esperance Port Access Corridor project is expected to be constructed over 18 months and, once completed in early 2014, will significantly improve road and rail user safety by eliminating road and railway conflicts. The project, delivered by John Holland, will provide infrastructure to support the economic and regional development of the town of Esperance and the Esperance Port. The Esperance Port Access Corridor project has a number of key features. Realignment of Harbour Road from Mungan Street to the Esperance Port. Realignment of the rail line. A rail tunnel to allow Harbour Road to cross over rail without affecting operations. An underpass at Griffin Street to improve pedestrian and cyclist safety. Construction of John Street Bridge, a local road connection over the rail from the realigned Harbour Road to John Street. Construction of Twilight Beach Road Bridge, a road overpass connecting the Esplanade and Twilight Beach Road. And noise walls positioned to increase residents' privacy and reduce rail noise and headlight glare. The project will be completed in 5 carefully planned stages designed to minimise rail and traffic impacts on the community and key stakeholders. Stage 1 involves creating a Harbour Road temporary detour to the north of its current alignment. This allows John Holland to access the road and rail with minimal disruption to operations. Underground services such as water, power and gas will be relocated to a specifically designed services corridor. Noise walls will be built along the north of Harbour Road. Stage 2 will see the Griffin Street underpass partially constructed using precast elements and staged to maintain rail operations. The majority of John Street Bridge will be built adjacent to the operational rail, including installation of the T-beams. The abutments and central pier of Twilight Beach Road Bridge will also commence providing the support for the post-tension voided slab to be constructed over the operational road and rail. The rail tunnel will be constructed using a top-down method. Concrete piles will be installed and a reinforced concrete deck will be constructed at grade. In Stage 3, the earth below the rail tunnel will be excavated and the new rail line constructed to allow access to the old rail alignment. Stage 4 involves the completion of the second half of Griffin Street, completion of the John Street Bridge and the construction of the new Harbour Road, including the retaining walls on the southern boundary. Stage 5 sees the final adjustment of the rail alignment, completion of the Twilight Beach Road Bridge and the road switched onto the bridge, providing rail-separated access onto the Esplanade and into the Esperance Township. Finally, the noise walls on the south of Harbour Road will be erected. Shared user paths will be replaced, additional paths will be positioned along the 2 bridges and landscaping will take place along the entire project area. For more information, visit the Main Roads website or Facebook and search for Esperance Port Access Corridor Project.